So dear students, today we are going to see economizer. So economizer is generally used to preheat the feed water that we are using or providing inside the boiler. So this feed water is heated by using flue gases. The flue gases are the gases that we are providing or we are passing towards the chimney. So before entering into the chimney, these flue gases are provided into the economizer, and in economizer these gases are responsible to heat feed water. So this is the model of the green economizer. Generally the economizer is the accessory, and this accessory is used to increase the efficiency, thermal efficiency of the thermal power plant. So how it works, let us see. So here are the number of tubes present inside the economizer. Through these tubes the feed water enters. So this is the inlet for the feed water, and this is the outlet. The upper one is the outlet part and the inner one is the inlet part of the feed water. So this is the inlet part of feed water. From this tube water enters into these vertical tubes. So these are the vertical tubes. Then after heating, it from this upper tube, it get out from the upper tube and provided into the boiler. The water is enter into the boiler. Now here the pulley is provided. So this is the pulley. This pulley is provided along with the scraper. The scraper is present here inside these tubes, outside the tube assembly. So generally scraper are provided to clean these tubes. Why the cleaning is essential? Because the hot flue gases are enter into this whole tube section from this part. So this is the entrance of the hot flue gases, and this is the exhaust of the hot flue gases. So entry of these hot gases and outlet of these hot gases. So in between these gases are makes direct contact with these tubes, and because of this contact of these hot gases along with these tubes, so the water present inside the tube get heated. So automatically we are getting the hot water, hot feed water, and we are adding it into the boiler. When the flue gases are coming into this area, some carbon unburned particles also comes along with these gases, and these unburned carbon particles are responsible or get deposited over these tubes, and because of this the tubes may get corroded or may get erosion or may get rusted. So to avoid this condition we are using this pulley along with scraper to clean these tubes. So I hope you understand what is the economizer and how it works. So this is the green economizer, which is the better accessory to improve the performance of thermal power plant. Thank you very much.